Hello everyone, welcome to another affiliate marketing guide and tutorial video. Today in this video I will show you how to join Temu affiliate program. Now if you're looking for a really great affiliate program, as you can see, you can earn up to 100,000 euros. Obviously this is as a big affiliate, but as you can see, you can get up to 20% commission on Temu. It's easy to learn, it's easy to join, it's easy to earn. They are a trusted brand, so all you have to do is just join, share the links, and start earning. Now, as you can see, they have 300,000 people already with them. Some of them are very, very well-known influencers. So what you want to do is you want to go and just type into Google Temu affiliate. And here, after you type that in, you will see the link right here. You will join this link. Now here, as you can see, you can find out more about Temu, affiliate support and program. You can also contact them if you want like specific questions answered. But what you want to do is you want to sign up to earn right here. Now, as you can see here, you can basically go and sign up with Google. Obviously, you will need to go through the process of application process to see if you're a good fit for them, but it's very easy and very simple. And obviously after you log in and register, you will need to go through the registration process. But this is basically how you can join Temu affiliate program. Now, as you can see, if you don't want to be affiliate, you can start shopping with 100 euros coupon bundle, which is, if you click here, you'll be able to go here and you'll be able to scratch it right here and use this while shopping, as you can see. So that's pretty much how you can actually go and join Temu affiliate program. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.